Hi, I'm Dr. Innocencia Uwur, a postdoctoral fellow at University of Missouri St. Louis Geospatial Collaborative. I graduated from Geomatics Sciences, University of Florida in Fort Lauderdale, USC, and this tutorial is titled Analyzing Geospatial Data with GeoPandas, and it is a part of a series of videos that provide different guides to geospatial analysis using various open source geospatial Python packages. GeoPandas is a Python library used for working with geospatial data, and it extends the capabilities of the popular Pandas library to support geospatial data types, making it easy to manipulate, analyze, and visualize geographic information. The outline of the tutorial will be as indicated, and the software requirements are at least Python 3 and above. The text editor we'll use is PyCharm, and Anaconda will be used to install different Python packages needed, such as GeoPandas, which is the focus of this tutorial. I'll start by showing how to install GeoPandas using both pip and conda, then read various geospatial files using GeoPandas. Next, I will create geospatial data using GeoPandas and perform basic geospatial operations such as the calculation of area, the creation of buffers and maps using GeoPandas. The link to the documentation on the GeoPandas Python library is as shown. Some of the main functions that will be used through the tutorial are the read file method, which is available in the GeoPandas Python library, and this requires one to pass the path to the data. And to get information about the properties of the data, methods such as info, describe, and CRS, which gives information about the coordinate reference system that the data is based on, can be used. For coordinate transformation, the method to_CRS and passing of the new CRS are used to convert coordinate transformations to new coordinate transformations. And for spatial analysis, we'd use the buffer method and .sjoin. And of course, to calculate the centroid of, let's say, a polygon, we'll use the .central method. So this is an overview of the GeoPandas documentation that is available through the link that I showed earlier. And it starts with how to carry out the installation using conda or pip. And it also shows you the dependencies that are installed when you install GeoPandas, that is Shapely, which we have used, Fiona, PyProj, and NumPy, and several others. And then it goes into how to use GeoPandas using different methods. For instance, the .read file and method can be applied in the manner indicated. And there's also the to_file method, which helps to convert a geodata frame to a data type that one prefers. And then one can carry out measurements such as area using the .area method. This can be done for polygons. You can also use the .boundary method to get information about the extent of a polygon. And for the centroid, this is how you apply it. Distances, you use the distance method. And for making maps, one can also use the .plot method. So the documentation is pretty comprehensive with very useful code samples on how to work with the Python library. And I'll begin by showing you how to install GeoPandas using pip and conda. So using pip, just go to the Python terminal and use the command pip install GeoPandas. I already did install GeoPandas, so I'm not going to run the command again. And once you do that, you'll see that the package also includes Shapely, among other Python packages. And when you want to do it through Conda, or go to the settings of the PyCharm project, Make sure your interpreter is set to Conda like mine, and then click on the Add button and select GeoPandas or type in GeoPandas and then click on Install.